Welcome to today's class. Dear students, today we are going to start part 4 of the play The Proposal. In the previous video class, we discussed that Lomo trembles due to great excitement. He says that if he looks for an ideal love, he would never get married. He gets cold. He feels that Natalia is good housekeeper. She is beautiful and well educated. He should lead a quiet and regular life. Natalia enters. She asks him why he is in very evening dress. Lumo tries to tell her that purpose behind the visit, but he is off the point. He tells her that he has known her family for long. He also tells her how he inherited his land and how he respects Natalia's father. He tells her that his oxen meadows touch Natalia's birch wood, and over this issue they fight verbally. Natalia says, but you behave to us as if we are gypsies. Gypsies means here wanderer tribe or the people who move from one place to another without proper house, without proper property. Giving me my own land indeed. Natalia is saying that you are thinking that we are gypsies and you are giving my own land. Indeed means really you are giving my own land as a gift. No, really, that's not at all neighborly. Means this is not the characteristics of a no neighbor. In my opinion, it's even impudent. Means immodest, which is not good. If you want to know, means I think this is not good. This is not modest. Lomo says that you make out that I am a land grabber. Land grabber means land snatcher. Madam, never in my life have I grabbed. Grabbed means take hold of or snatched anybody else's land, and I shan't allow anybody to to accuse means to blame me of having done so. Means I have not grabbed anybody's and I do not allow anybody to grab my thing. Quickly steps to carafe. Carafe is a big jug with open mouth, a container with open mouth, and he drinks more water and he says, oxen meadows are mine. Natalia, it's not true. They are ours. Lumo says, mine. Natalia says, it's not true. I'll prove it. I'll send my mowers. Mowers means grass cutting machines like this to the meadows this very day. So she's saying that I'll send my workers with this machine, grass cutting machines to the land. Lumo says what? What are you going to do? Natalia, my mowers will be there this very day. Lumo, I'll give it to them in the neck. Means then I will punch on the neck of your workers who will use mowers. Natalia, you dare means how dare you punch? Lumo clutches at his heart. So clutches at his heart means he is clutching his shirt at the place where there is heart. Oxen meadows are mine. You understand? Mine. Now he is getting angry. Whenever he gets emotional or excited, he faces the problem of increase of heartbeat. Natalia, please don't shout. You can shout yourself hoarse. Hoarse means very loudly or roughly in your own house, but here I must ask you to restrain yourself. Means in my house you are not allowed to speak or to cry loudly. Or restrain means prevent. I'll prevent you here, stop you here because you are standing in my house. Go to your house and cry there. Namo, if it wasn't madam, for this awful, excruciating means severe, palpitation means disorder of or irregularity of heartbeat. So Lomovi is saying that if he was not facing the problem, if he was having no that problem, then he would have behaved in a different manner. In my whole, if my whole inside upset, means if his internal part, that is his heartbeats. If he was not having the problem of increasing his heartbeat, he would have talked in different manner. But at that time he was facing the problem of increase of heartbeat, means he was feeling uncomfortable, and that's why he was not able to behave very angrily, or able to reply very quickly, or very excitingly to Natalia. And he yells, he cries that oxen meadows are his. Natalia says, ours, mine, ours, mine. Then who enters? Chubuku. Chubuku says, devil take him, means bad should happen to him. Walks about in excitement, and he started walking in excitement. Natalia, what a rascal he is. Who is rascal? A rogue. Who is Lumu? What trust can one have in one's neighbors after that? Means, how can one believe on neighbor after this incident? Chubuku, the villain, the scarecrow. So he is abusing to Lamu. Scarecrow means a structure which is used in field to save the crops. Natalia says the monster. First he takes our land, and then he has the impudence, means rudeness, to abuse, means to mistreat us. He has grabbed the lands, and then he behaved in very rude manner. Chubuku and that blind hand. Blind hand is for he is abusing words. Blind hand for Lumu. Yes, the turnip ghost. Again, he is like a turnip ghost. Has a confounded cheek to make a proposal. Confounded cheek means anger, or some type of excitement showing face, to make a proposal, and so on. What a proposal! So he says that this type of man came to make a proposal. What a proposal he made! So he is getting very surprised on the proposal made by Lomov. Natalia asked, what proposal? Which type of proposal? Chubuku, why he came here to propose to you? So he informs Natalia that Lomov came there to propose her. Natalia, to propose me? Why didn't you tell me so before? Means, why did not you tell me earlier? Chubuku, so he dressed up in evening clothes. That's why he came in evening dress. Means in party like dress. The stuffed sausage. The wizen-faced prump. Wizen means wrinkled. Faced prump means an unattractive woman-like. So he is abusing with wrong words like hen, like a woman, like a ghost, because he is very angry. Natalia, to propose me? Means, did he come to propose me? Hey, she falls on the armchair, she cries, and she says, bring him back, bring him back. So now Natalia will change her views, and she will take favor of Lomov. Chibuku, bring whom here? Means, whom should I bring? Because Lomov has left the place. Natalia, quick, quick, I'm ill. Fetch him. Hysterical. So she is just falling down, having uncontrolled emotion, and she's saying, I'm feeling ill. Fetch means go and call Lomov, go and bring him back. Chibuku, what's that? What's the matter with you? Clutches at his head, means he is very upset. So he holds his head. Oh, unhappy man, I will shoot myself. I'll hang myself. Well done for her. He's very much upset because Natalia has changed her views, and she is telling him to call him back, and we have done for her. We is for her parents. So we have done many things for her, and how she is behaving now, I should go and I'm feeling sick and I should shoot myself. So he catches his head. Natalia, I'm dying. Fetch him. So she is showing that she wants Lamo and she is agreed to marry him. She is already in love with him, and when she has come to know about the proposal by Lomo, and she is feeling very regretting here, then Chibuku Fu is the word which is used in America. It means fool. At once, don't yell. Run out a pause. At once, don't yell. So he is saying that, fool, I'm going, don't cry. He runs out, then a pause means there is a stoppage. It stops for some time. Then Natalia's stepnona wails means cries, what have they done to me? What have the parents done to me? Fetch him back, fetch him back. Call Lomo back, call Lomo back, she cries. Then again a pause and Chubuku runs out. Chubuku, now Chubuku again enters. He runs out and again enters and he says, oh, he is coming, he is coming. Who is coming? Returning. Who is returning? Lomo. So on, devil take him. Means bad should happen to him. That bad person is returning. Oof. Talk to him yourself. I don't want to. Now he is coming back. Talk to yourself to Lomo. I don't want to talk to him. Natalia again cries and again she is saying, fetch him, fetch him. Chubuku yells, he cries, he is coming, I tell you. Oh, what a burden, Lord, to be a father of a grown up daughter. So he is getting very irritated, angry, disturbed, and he is saying that it's a burden to be a father of a grown up means a young daughter. I'll cut my throat. I will indeed means really I'll cut my throat. I'll kill myself. He is saying in his anger. We cursed him, abused him. Who is him here? Lomo. We cursed him, we abused him, and we drove him out of the house. And it's just because of you, Natalia. So Chubuku is blaming Natalia. Natalia says, no, it was because of you. Chubuku, I tell you, it's not my fault. Lomo appears at the door. Now you talk him yourself. Talk to him yourself. So Chubuku is saying Natalia to talk herself to Lomu. So this is some of the part we have done today. We will continue the next part. That will be the last part of the play. Thank you for watching.